What happens when a S-security guard and a cleaner switch jobs? Total chaos.
Another thrilling day of watching absolutely nothing. Yawn.
Man, security looks so easy. Sit, sip coffee, look important.
Want to trade jobs for a week?
You, clean, you get tangled in a mop.
Let's bet. Winner gets free lunch for a month.
Deal!
How hard can mopping be?
Hey!
Who put water here? Oh wait, that was me.
Ah, this is the life. Just sit, sip coffee, and... Jason? Little help?
Kinda busy, bro. Okay, your job is not just mopping floors.
And yours is not just watching cameras.
Truce?
Respect all jobs. Because you never know how hard it is until you try it.
I missed my cameras.
I missed you, buddy.